G'day again. So, here we are in the lab once again, and we've got our guys over there. G'day guys. Buddy's over there. Hey buddy. We're going to do some VR maths, or maths in VR with Dr. E. I'll just grab a little duster. There's Buddy gone. Here, Buddy. Bring the duster back. That's the boy. That's it. Yeah. Good work. Okay, so yeah, you can stay there, roll over. So we're just going to do a second video here on algebra. If we look at these two questions, x plus 4 equals 7 and 5x equals 30. Now what I want you to do, when you look at a question like this, you've got x plus 4 equals 7. The first thing a junior school student will do is, oh, I can do this. The answer is 3, because 3 plus 4 is 7. Now we are doing algebra. Oh, how do I do that? Okay, we're doing algebra. So when you're doing algebra, you don't want to do that. You don't want to go 3 plus 4 is 7. I know the answer. That's nice, and it shows that you're clever and you know maths, but it's not going to help you develop your algebra. What you want to do with this is to look at this. Oh, not that closely. You want to look at this and not draw red lines on the board and say, what have I got to do to this side to just end up with x? Right? So what have I got to do to that side to just end up with x? So let's try and move closer without going through the board. That's a bit better. Well, what you've got to do is subtract 4. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. Take away 4, you just end up with x. Take away 4, end up with 3. Now that's your answer. Now you knew that was going to be your answer, but you've got to go through this process of elimination. Same when we look over here. If we look over here, we've got 5x equals 30. Now, because most students are clever and they go, oh, 5 times 6 is 30, I know the answer. That's great, except we're doing algebra. So what you want to do is go, what have I got to do to this side to just have x? So what have I got to do this side? This is 5 multiplied by x. I'm going to divide by 5. So I'm going to do whatever I do to one side, do the other side. 5 divided by 5, or you can just draw lines like that. Rub that out. Rub out your little division and just go, right, I'm just going to divide both sides by 5. Like that. Go, right, that cancels. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And you've got to have this attitude of thinking, whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. But I'm not going to just jump to, I know the answer because I'm clever. I'm not going to go, I know the answer is 3. I know the answer is 6. So don't do that. Go through your steps of algebra and try and think, what have I got to do to just figure out what x is? Anyway, that's my tip for today on algebra. Here we go, buddy. Go and get it. That's it. Okay? Have a nice day.